have a problem. Fix the chickens from escaping.
We're gonna put a big tall fence around the chicken coop over there.
Oh yeah.
Should be.
Oh, there's another nest right there. Did you? Huh? Oh.
Oh, look at you. This is exactly why we're fencing you in.
The good news is we're getting eggs. Bad news is we've got to have an Easter egg hunt every day.
So, found a chicken roosting spot where they've been sneaking away and hiding. It's over there in the woodshed because I had to put sandbags under there, and the way I could tell was there was an abundance of chicken poop on the logs. So
Another nesting spot.
roosting, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys are just going everywhere you want to go.
like overdoing it, you know?
It's like AJ.
Surfing right above Proto.
Yeah.
Clay.
See how it's like sticky and gummy?
I'm gonna go to pottery.
Let's go see what Dad needs now.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Huh? Good. Say good. I didn't throw it at my sister. My poop is moldy.
Oh, stop it.
It's a moldy poop.
Can somebody measure every 8 feet?
You said what? You want to take care of the poles.
Yeah,
The holes.
each hole needs a pole. And a pole needs a hole.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Dad.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go over there and. Oh, there you go. There you got your toilet.
Oh my gosh, why does everything have to be poop? I don't get it.
Hey.
Be helpers, come on.
I see.
Towards Cade. Might have to do it on the inside like Mom.
What?
Look at all these beautiful eggs.
We have to put holes in all the holes. I just told you.
All right, it is late. He had to go get more fencing and poles.
Bring in the wood.
It's freezing outside.
It's cold and we're calling it a night. We will see you guys in the morning. Hey, mamas. You getting ready? Hi, honey. Hi. Hey, bud.
I'm gonna go get some couch.
You guys pouring or snoring? Shoulder muscles and neck muscles. All the way around.
You so tall, you look like a giraffe. You built like a big brain.
All right, you guys. The chicken coop is done almost. There's like a few things we have to do. We have to go ahead and, you know, finish pinning down some of the wire on the corner posts and just tying those down. And then Aaron also has to weld the fence onto, he needs to weld the gate onto the fence because he did this awesome fence and he made it out of some scrap metal that we had lying around. So those are just some of the little things that we need to finish up. But the chickens are enclosed. I have one that sneaks out, two that sneak out, but I think they just have been out and we haven't put them back in yet. So anyway, this was like a hard decision for me because I want pastured chickens. Like, I want pastured chickens and I want the pastured eggs and but it was just becoming such a problem where they get into the backyard and they tear everything up. So if we like try to make everything nice back there, they just tear it up like nothing else. Like I put wood chips on a pathway and made like this cute little pathway to a trampoline. They tore it up and I'm just tired. So we will occasionally like let them out. We might let them out through the front gate and put some pastured poultry netting around some of the coop that has grass, so that, you know, they can have grass. I also was thinking of like, maybe this is a stupid idea, but maybe I'll like half off some of the coop with the electric fence and then just like make a divider in the middle of it so that some of it can grow grass and some of it can rest, and then we'll just swap. I don't know. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. So then they can still have access and be on pasture. So anyway, so many ideas, but this just became such a hard thing where they were getting out, and I just decided I can't do it anymore. They're picking up my Lysianthus, they're picking out the garden, the food that we're going to be eating and growing. So it was just too much of a liability. So we decided to put a fence around our coop, and it's working pretty dang fantastic. And now I can plant the rest of my garden. Are you guys so excited? I am. Would this be something that is hard for you to do? There are so many things that we can compare ourselves to others on, and I feel like you just need to go and do what is best for your family and your situation and everything that is best for your your farm or your little homestead or your backyard, wherever you are, you got to do what's best for you and essentially what's best for your family. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Yeah, where are you gonna get out?